Welcome back to our channel. Question 30 is about the details of the glycolysis. But first, come up to your mind. Glycolysis, does it need oxygen? No. So which options are incorrect? B and D. And then you need to, from your long-term memory, get out what is a glycolysis from what to what. So they talk about reactants and products. You write it down first. Okay, from what to what is a glycolysis? Glucose. And we need some ATP, and then it gives you some more ATP out. Okay, remember the subtraction 4 minus 2 is 2, right? And then what give out is pyruvate. Is the first in these. So you remember this is glycolysis. And this question reward you from this kind of hardworking memorizing this process. So what's the result? Yeah, answer. Oh, good. It's D. So first, remember, method of elimination, you make half of the option, okay? So not 4 to 1, it's 2 to 1. So by this, you can increase your correct rate by 25% to 50%. Double it up, okay? And by your memory working, you can get this question very quickly, even quicker than B. You guys are young. And we're done with it, okay? So let's see. Let's go move on for next question. Bye.